Still using noisy bypass tracks? The CS top mount bypass kits are now available on the HD Pocket Doors website. Now you can get the soft close, soft open feature that you want to match your heavy duty pocket door frames for your closets, wardrobes, any bypassing application. So we have these offered for a 2-track, all the way 4-foot up to 12-foot tracks. So you can use a wood valance to cover this track on one side, or if you want to check out the other side, we also offer the aluminum fascia that you can also order off of our website to cover that. Or you can do with no fascia. But then this is going to still give you the same top mount hardware from Cavity Sliders, the CS track and hardware. It's got the double track. You can use it for 1 3/8 or 1 3/4 doors. So this CS track and hardware is going to be available from 200 pounds up to 350 pounds with soft close open, and then 500 pounds without soft close. And we have this in stock and ready to ship out. So check it out at hdpocketdoors.com and order yours today.